Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural remedies and wellness tips for a healthier life. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of herbs and uncovering 3 super herbs for super health. Herbs have been used for centuries to promote well-being and address various ailments. While our modern world heavily relies on medications, let's not overlook the power of nature's own medicines. Herbs are all around us, from our kitchen spice racks to our very own gardens. They come in various forms, including teas, tinctures, powders, supplements, essential oils, and fresh or dried herbs. Today, we'll discuss 3 exceptional herbs that you can incorporate into your daily routine for optimal health. Aloe vera. First on our list is aloe vera. Not only is it a great way to boost your nutrient intake, but studies have shown that aloe vera gel enhances the absorption of certain vitamins in our cells. This versatile herb offers a range of benefits. Aloe vera is known for its effectiveness in promoting skin health, aiding in wound healing, and providing hydration and UV protection. It also has oral health benefits, as it helps balance cavity-causing oral bacteria and reduces inflammation in the gums. Additionally, aloe vera supports digestive health by aiding in constipation relief and managing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Garlic. Next up is garlic, a culinary herb that has been revered for centuries. Garlic not only adds flavor to our dishes but also offers numerous health benefits. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to immune protection. It has been found to reduce the frequency of colds, assist in healing ear infections, and even provide potential cancer protection. It also plays a vital role in heart health by lowering high blood cholesterol and blood pressure. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties have shown promise in protecting against hip osteoarthritis and preventing certain types of cancer. Turmeric. Last but certainly not least is turmeric, a vibrant yellow-orange herb with many health benefits. The ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is the key to its remarkable properties. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant. It helps prevent oxidative stress, neutralizes free radicals, and even stimulates the body's own antioxidant enzymes. Turmeric also plays a role in brain health by boosting brain-derived neurotrophic factor, reducing the risks of heart disease, and showing potential in preventing and treating cancer. Additionally, it may possibly prevent and treat Alzheimer's disease, alleviate arthritis symptoms, and act as a digestive aid for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and acid reflux. To fully experience the health benefits of curcumin, it's best to take it in supplement form to ensure higher amounts and better absorption. Additionally, combining it with black pepper enhances its absorption by 2000%. So, whether you're enjoying a cup of aloe vera tea, adding garlic to your favorite dishes, or incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, these 3 super herbs can help boost your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the power of herbs.